kutsun Skaute ette sõprusringiks, palun.
Armas taeva Isa, aita, et oleksime homme paremad, kui olime täna ja eile. Aamen.
On behalf of Mrs. Vaga and her family, Ida, most of you, I thank you for your patience and endurance during a long but meaningful tribute to a wonderful, wonderful man. Each and every one of you, by your attendance today, shows your love and Christian faith that he showed to all of us, me as well. So for that, I am grateful. Now, as Harry Burnham mentioned, Thomas will be laid to rest at the Estonian Lutheran Cemetery in Seabrook. He considered that the Seabrook experience and part of coming home. So we are grateful to accept him back to our area for safekeeping until that final day. So again, I thank you. We'd like to excuse you a few at a time, give you the chance if you would like to come forward to pass by the casket one final time. You are cordially invited for refreshments located downstairs where it is at least a little cooler. Once again, I thank you for your patience and your time here with us during this service this morning.